Hello students, welcome to the fifth session on Introduction to C Language. In today's session, let us discuss about operators in C and constants. In the previous session, we discussed about assignment statements and then about the precedence and order of evaluation of arithmetic expressions. An arithmetic expression can be evaluated using an assignment statement. The syntax of an assignment statement is identifier is equal to expression, where identifier represents a variable and expression represents a constant, a variable, or a more complex expression. Evaluation is a process of converting an expression of operands and operators to a single value and store the value in memory. For example, area is equal to length into breadth followed by a semicolon. Here area, length and breadth are variables. Star is an operator, length and breadth are operands, equal to is an assignment operator. An expression can be evaluated based on priority of operator and associativity or order of the operator. Order of precedence for the operators is highest precedence is for unary operators, followed by arithmetic operators, followed by relational operators, then equality operators, followed by logical and, logical or, and finally the assignment operator. Now let us discuss about assignment operators. In C, values for the variables are assigned using assignment operators. For example, if the value 10 is to be assigned for the variable sum, it can be assigned as sum is equal to 10. There are two categories of assignment operators in C. They are, first one, simple assignment operator. For example, the operator is equal to. Next type, compound assignment operators. Example, plus equal to, minus equal to, star equal to, slash equal to, percentage equal to, and equal to, XOR equal to. This is a list of assignment operators. First, simple assignment operator equal to, we can write sum is equal to 10. Then 10 will be assigned. 10 will be assigned to variable sum. Now the compound assignment operators, plus is equal to, we can write sum plus equal to 10, which is same as sum is equal to sum plus 10. Minus equal to, we can write sum minus equal to 10, which is same as sum is equal to sum minus 10. Star equal to, we can write sum into equal to 10, which is same as sum is equal to sum into 10. Slash equal to, sum slash equal to 10, which is same as sum is equal to sum slash 10. Percentage equal to, sum percentage equal to 10 is same as sum is equal to sum modulus 10. and equal to, we can write sum and equal to 10, which is same as sum is equal to sum and 10. XOR equal to sum XOR equal to 10, which is same as sum is equal to sum XOR 10. Now we will move on to the next type of operator in C. Now we have studied about arithmetic operators, then we studied about assignment operators. Now let us discuss about relational operators in C. Relational operators are used to find the relation between two variables, that is to compare the values of two variables in C, in a C program. The various relational operators are greater than, example, greater than x greater than y, which means that x is greater than y, less than x less than y, meaning x is less than y, greater than or equal to, example, x greater than or equal to y, x is greater than or equal to y. Less than equal to, example, x less than or equal to y, x is less than or equal to y. Double equal to, x double equal to y. See, single equal to is an assignment operator. Double equal to is a relational operator. X double equal to y, which will tell whether x is equal to y or not. Not equal to, x not equal to y, x is not equal to y. Now let us move on to the next type of operators. It is called next type of operators called logical operators. Logical operators are used to perform logical operations on the given expressions. There are three logical operators in C. They are logical AND, which is represented by double AND, logical OR by two vertical lines, and logical NOT exclamatory. And is logical AND operator. Example, x greater than 5 and y less than 5. It returns, this expression will return true when both the conditions are true. That is, when x is greater than 5 and y is less than 5, that time it will return true, otherwise it will return false. Logical OR, x greater than or equal to 10 or y greater than or equal to 10. It returns true when at least one of the two conditions is true. Either when x is greater than or equal to 10, or if y is greater than or equal to 10, then also it will return the value true. Logical not of x greater than 5 and y less than 5. It reverses the state of the operand x greater than 5 and y less than 5. If x greater than 5 and y less than 5 is true, logical NOT operator makes it false. Now let us move on to the next type of operators, bitwise operators. These operators are used to perform bit operations. Decimal values are converted into binary values, which are the sequence of bits, and bitwise operators work on these bits. Bitwise operators in C language are AND, that is bitwise AND operator, bitwise OR operator, tilde, bitwise NOT operator, XOR operator, left shift less than left shift operator, and greater than right bitwise right shift operator. We'll see the truth table for bitwise operations and bitwise operators. Let us take the combination x is equal to 0, y is 0, x or y will be 0, x and bitwise and y will return 0, x or y, x or y will return 0. When x and y is, when x is 0, y is 1, x logical OR of bitwise operation on y will return 1, x and y will return 0, x XOR y will return 1. There are different combinations. You can see the table. X, assume when x is equal to 1, y is equal to 0, x logical or x bitwise or y will return 1, x and y 0, x bitwise XOR y 1. When x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1, x bitwise or y will return 1, x bitwise and y 1, x bitwise XOR y will return 0. Again, let us see the list of bitwise operators in C and their name in C language. AND operator, it is called bitwise AND. Then vertical bar, bitwise OR, tilde, bitwise NOT, XOR, less than, left shift greater than, right shift bitwise operator. Next type of operators in C language is the conditional operators. Conditional operators will return one value if the condition is true and returns another value if the condition is false. This operator is also called ternary operator. Syntax: condition, question mark to true value, colon, false value. For example, a greater than 100, question mark 0, colon 1. So in this example, if a is greater than 0, if a is greater than 100, 0 will be returned, else 1 is returned. This operator is equal to if-else conditional statements. We have already learnt about increment and decrement operators. Let us study again. Increment and decrement operators. Increment operators are used to increment the value of the variable by 1, and decrement operators are used to decrease the value of the variable by 1. Syntax: incremental operator is plus plus. We can either write plus plus, two methods are there, plus plus variable name or variable name plus plus. One is then we have decrement operators, minus minus variable name or variable name minus minus. Example, we can write plus plus I. Also we have I plus plus. Decrement operator minus minus I minus minus. We also have some special operators in C. like and. This operator is also used to get the address of the variable. Example, ampersand A will give the address of A. Then pointer, that star, this is used as a pointer to a variable. Pointer A is star is a pointer to the variable A. Size of function, this function size of operator, this gives the size of the variable. Example, size of character will give us 1. Now let us see what a constant in C is. C constants are also like normal variables, but only difference between a normal variable and constant is, in a constant, the values cannot be modified by the program once they are defined. So constants refer to fixed values. They are also called literals. Constant may belong to any type of data. Constants can be classified as integer constants. For example, 5, 6, minus 5, 10, 100, etc. Float constants. Example, 0.5, minus 0.5, 10.5, 100.1, etc. Next, character constants. Example, A within single quote, B within single quote, 1 within single quote, 2 within single quote, plus within single quotes, etc. String constants. Hi within double quotes, this within double quotes, is India within double quotes, my marks is 650 within double quotes, are examples for string constants. Now let us go through some multiple choice questions on the topics that we have learned today. We'll try to answer these questions. First question, relational operators cannot be used with long, B float, C strings, D structures. Relational operators can be used with long, float and strings, but it cannot be used with structure. So the correct answer is D, option D, structure. Next, what is the only ternary operator present in C? Not equal to, greater than or equal to, A equal to B equal to C, D question mark equal to. There is only one ternary or conditional operator in C, question mark equal to. So the correct answer is option D. Next question, which operator is used to perform bitwise AND operation between two operands? A, vertical line, B tilde, C ampersand, and D less than. The correct answer is option C, AND, bitwise AND. Next question, what is the use of typedef keyword? A, to create user defined data type, B, to create special functions, C, to change the meaning of all of built-in data types, none of the above. The correct answer is option A, typedef keyword can be used to create user defined data type. We discussed about user defined data type in the previous session. Next question, which operator is used to invert each bit of operand in C? A and B tilde, C vertical bar, D greater than. Correct answer is option B. Not bit operator is used to invert each bit of operand in C. Option B is the correct answer. Next question. If x is equal to 0, which operator is used to increment the value of x by 1? A plus, B minus, C plus plus, D both A and C. The value of x is 0. I want to increment the value of x by 1. So I can write x is equal to x plus 1, or I can also write x plus plus. So the correct answer is both option A and C are correct. So the correct option is D. Both A and C can be used to increment the value of x by 1. Next question. Which of the following is not a compound assignment operator? A slash equal to, B plus equal to, C modulus equal to, D equal to. The correct answer is option D. Equal to is a relational operator, whereas A, B, C, the slash equal to, plus equal to, modulus equal to are compound assignment operators. So the correct answer is option D, equal to. It is a relational operator. Not equal to is an example of dash operator. A relational, B logical, C assignment, D conditional. Not equal to is a relational operator. So the correct answer is option A. Next question. Which of the following is an example of relational operator in C? A less than, B greater than, C not equal to, D all of the above. Less than, greater than, not equal to are all relational operators. So the correct answer is option D, all of the above. Next question. Character constant in C is enclosed between a pair of A single quotes, B double quotes, C parentheses, D square brackets. Always a character constant is in C is enclosed between a pair of single quotes. So the correct answer is option A. In this session, we studied about operators in C and constants. We'll continue in the next session. Thank you.